of divine justice, the law of divine thoughts, sickness, the law of spiritual change, the law of sacred vision, the law of sacred vision, the law of commanding faith, the law of human magnetism. The law of focused intent, the law of aligned action, the law of intrinsic value, the law of harmonic relationships, signals, universal law of abundance supply, signals, universal law of tenacious persistence, universal law of truthful essence, signals, Galatians chapter 6 verse 7.